With the right template, you can drag and drop your way to a modern and professional looking video. Our list of 10 of the best Premiere Pro templates starts right now. All items featured today are available with a subscription to Envato Elements. Find the link in the description below. Number 10. Kicking things off is Digital Slideshow by Noble Metal. This clean and stylish template adds an unobtrusive digital overlay to your photo or video slideshows. The smooth animations will give your project a modern feel without detracting from the content. Number 9. If you're looking for an eye-catching and engaging way to start your videos, Powerbank has you covered with Dynamic Upbeat Opener. This rhythmically animated template is great for adding that extra layer of cool to your urban or fashion-related videos. Number 8. Coming in at number 8 is Comics Urban Opener by MD Lab Design. Pump up your viewers and introduce your talent with high-contrast headshots on top of an animated, paint-splattered background. This template is fantastic as a high-energy opener for interviews, athletes, and other people-oriented projects. Number 7. Get in touch with your inner fashionista with Dynamic Fashion Package, a dazzling template bundle by Bogdafon. Camera flashes, frame splits, and tasteful color glitches dominate in this bold series that's purpose-built for all things fashion. Dynamic Fashion Package can easily become your go-to template for editing photo shoot material, modeling shows, and event footage. Number 6. Grabbing the number 6 spot is Colorful Smoke Reveal by Bank 508. 2 custom-colored smoke trails make for a memorable intro and logo reveal for virtually any type of video. This template is as simple as it is mesmerizing. Number 5. If you're after a new template to use for your white-collar brand videos, Corporate Promo by Affymotion FX might fit your needs perfectly. 13 media placeholders and 11 text placeholders come together with clean animation, smooth transitions, and color controls. Number 4. Sloshing into 4th is Colorful Opener, an array of playful liquid elements by Motion Media Group. These fast and fresh animations can liven up your videos as an opener, or serve as an overall template for product videos, commercials, or fashion shoots. Number 3. Color and energy have been the theme of today's list, and Marcon builds on this with Fast Opener. With intuitive color controls and room for up to 28 images or video clips, this highly reusable template serves up everything you need to create a whole series of promo videos that are both flashy and unique. Users should note that Fast Opener does require After Effects CC 2019 to be installed to drop your footage into the placeholders, but all further customization can be done in Premiere, and a tutorial video is included to walk you through the process. Number 2. The nebulous space setting of Galaxy by Creative Lab is inherently epic. Clusters of stars twinkle as you navigate through clouds of interstellar dust. The cinematically smooth transitions create an effective feeling of a 3D environment, and there's enough lens flare to make J.J. Abrams weep tears of joy. If you're looking to make an opening sequence for a sci-fi film, or anything even remotely related to outer space, look no further. Number 1. Last but certainly not least on our list today is Simple Mogurt Graphics Titles by Edom. Grab your audience's attention and keep it with an edgy collection of drag-and-drop title elements that you can modify straight from the Essential Graphics panel in Premiere. Use these strikingly simple geometric overlays to spice up anything from product videos, to fashion shoots, to corporate promos. That concludes our list of 10 of our favorite Premiere Pro templates for 2019. As always, the links to all the items featured in this video are in the description below. Did we miss any of your favorites? Tell us in the comments. If you learned something new, don't forget to like and subscribe. If your appetite for Premiere Pro goodies hasn't quite been sated, we have 10 more for you in our list of the top 10 Premiere Pro video templates and presets up next.